How to add and set a background image in Google Docs. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add or set a background image on Google Docs. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in your device, open up the Google Chrome. Once you're here, you have to click on this dotted icon right here in front of your profile icon. Click on it. Here, scroll down a bit and then here you'll find Docs. Click on it. That's directly going to take you to your Google Docs. So from here, you can select your document where you want to add your background image, or simply create a blank document. So here we will create a blank document. Click on it. After that, here, let me write something right here. So once you have your text right here, in order to add the background image, navigate to top left corner. From there, click on insert, and here you have to click on image, and now select upload from computer. Click on it. Now from your device, you have to select the image that you want to add as your background image in your Word or in the Google Docs. Select the image and click on open, and there you go. Now you have added this image. You can resize the image in order to make the image in a full screen. Once done, if you scroll down a bit, there you have these various options. So from there, you have to click on behind text. Click on it. Now you can move this image just above the text. And there you go, this image has been perfectly set as the background image in the Google Docs. And that's the way. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.